Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a little bit of a different video today. So down below in every video going forward is a link to my Github repository. And what that means is, what GitHub is, if you don't already know, is a place for you to document and store code. So I have it as Python Basics tutorials, and then everything that you have ever seen me code in huge pieces. The smaller ones I do not have, but the calculator that we've been working on, the Kiwi app right here, that's the Kiwi file, that's the Python file, the little tank game, the tkinter. So that's why it's so important to make sure you're hitting that subscribe and the notification bell. So some people have been taking advantage of this. The traffic has gone up, but I do not want you to feel overwhelmed. So download it, remove, especially the Pygame. Remove little pieces of it and see if you can reconstruct it and build it. Only do small pieces at a time. This can become overwhelming, and I don't want it to be. That's why we do micro videos. That's why we do small little bite-sized videos here. So it is baby steps, because anybody can do this. I promise you, if I can learn to do this, anybody can. So I want everybody to know about every single tool that we have and everything that's out there. So I've realized that I really didn't make a specific video for this. I guess I wanted to see the traction, if there was a lot more traction, and a lot of people have been going to this more. So I want you to be aware of all this, and it is down in the description of this video and every video going forward. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.